Hey guys, this is a review of the KitchenAid, but specifically I want to review the mixing attachments that you get with the KitchenAid. So whenever you buy a KitchenAid, you're gonna get these two attachments, and I believe there's one more, right? There's a whisk attachment. So I'll show you that in a moment. But this is oh, here it is. Okay. So this is the whisk attachment. And this attachment is for mixing. You mix cakes and eggs, I believe. And this one is your normal day-to-day mixer. So this one you can use for pretty much anything, cakes, light stuff. So you're pretty much gonna use this one for most of everything. And then this attachment is called the bread hook. So this one you will use specifically. It needs the dough. So yes, you don't need a bread maker anymore. You could just use this, and you put all the ingredients in here, and it'll mix up all the dough, and you can make pizza. You can make bread. Yeah, we mainly use it to make pizza, different kinds of bread. So this is the attachment. Let me show you how it goes on. Right? It just has. Let me see here. As you can see here. It just has a little hook right here. You just line it up, and then that's it. You just turn it. And I could show you it running. Let me show you to running. Watch, it's gonna be noisy. See? That's pretty much how it works. So if you guys don't have a KitchenAid, or if you need some attachments, go ahead and check out the links below. So I have the links to the KitchenAid attachments or KitchenAid if you want that. But these are the mixers that you come up that it comes with. Now a lot of times these attachments, they go bad. Okay, this it can go bad, it can crack, it can break. So you can buy this on Amazon, and I'm gonna share a link with you on Amazon. So if you buy this, you can buy this, and it doesn't have to be like official KitchenAid stuff. If you buy directly from KitchenAid, it's gonna be very expensive. So you can just buy from an aftermarket part directly from Amazon, and it'd be just as good. Because, sometimes this does break, because KitchenAid is a good brand, but it's not built to last. So these are the attachments. So if you guys have any questions about these attachments, let me know. But most of the time I use this attachment, because this is an all-purpose attachment. Okay, and you only use this attachment for bread or pizza dough. And then this one is for very light stuff. So if you're making whipped cream, anything whipped, this is mainly for whipping, and this is your mixing. Once again, this is a review of the KitchenAid and the attachments, mainly the attachments that it comes with. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out the Amazon links to this beautiful KitchenAid appliance. Thank you.